This is the original Genesis bow. The benefit with the original Genesis bow, it's 100% ready to be shot out of the box. The other benefit is it has an unlimited draw length, will fit virtually anybody. The adjustable draw weight will go from 10 to 20 pounds, which makes it very easy for anybody to draw the bow to their size and stature and be able to comfortably shoot and have fun with this bow. The Genesis bow may be designed for youth, but it comes standard with highly machined aluminum parts. The riser, the cam, and the idler wheel. The string and the cable are handmade here at Genesis and 100% hand assembled. All these components used add up to one very durable bow.
Do you want to give your shooters the best chance to develop their talents in archery? Then choose SAS 70 pounds 30 compound bow and give shooters the right gear of high quality and durability. The bow features a 35 axle to axle, 30 draw length, 270 FPS. This compressed ABS limb spans balance, weight and strength to continue the life of the bow. This compound has a strong piece layered limb used to draw weights up to 70 pounds. Loosening the bolt will decrease the draw weight by 5 pounds and tightening it will increase the weight 5 pounds. The limbs are accommodated in place by the back pivoting limb pockets, a strong connection with rigid tolerances for enhanced accuracy. A curb appeal is given to the bow by the riser. The number of cutouts in the riser provides the compound bow a waffle look. Specifications: draw length 25-31. Draw weight 55-70 pounds. Axle to axle 35. Let off. Built off of Diamond's best-selling bow ever, the Infinite Edge. The Infinite Edge Pro has an extended draw length of 31 inches for longer draw archers, allowing for a whole new category of shooters to call the Infinite Edge Pro their own. The cam system is completely redesigned to create an incredibly smooth draw cycle, and a solid back wall has been added to give this bow yet another edge over all of the competition. This makes the Infinite Edge Pro even more enjoyable to draw and shoot. A stabilizer has also been added for perfect balance, making the Infinite Edge Pro completely ready for anything. The Infinite Edge Pro is without a doubt the superior choice for everyone looking for the highest quality, most versatile, feature-packed bow available today. Package includes Infinite Edge Pro bow, 3-pin Tundra sight, Hostage XL arrow rest, Deadlock light octane quiver, tube peep sight, BCY string loop, comfort wrist sling, and 5-inch ultra light octane stabilizer. Package includes Infinite Edge Pro bow, 3-pin Tundra sight, Hostage XL arrow rest, Deadlock light octane quiver, tube peep sight, BCY string loop, comfort wrist sling, and 5 ultra light octane stabilizer. While enjoying your outdoor life, Leader Accessories provides a range of hunting equipment and accessories. Durable safety vest harness, large capacity tree stand, camo ground hunting hub blinds, doghouse blinds, one-man chair blinds, also shooting stick, heavy-duty game cart, and hoist and gambrel system. We are meant to offer our well-designed and safe products to our customers and bring a happy hunting experience. That is exactly our hunting series' job. Right-handed bow with 30-55 pounds draw weight and 1929 draw length max speed. 296 FPS. Let off 70%. Weight 3.3 pounds. Aluminum riser. Axle to axle 28. Brace height 7. Adjust the draw weight and draw length with enclosed Allen wrench. No bow press is needed. Bar Archery Cruzer G2 RTH compound bow package engineered to excel for bow hunters of any age or skill level. The Bear Archery Cruzer G2 RTH, ready to hunt, compound bow package, offers maximum versatility to meet a hunter's needs. A grow with you bow with great shootability, the Cruzer G2 matches the extreme versatility of Bear's previous Cruzer bow and ups the performance across the board. With a draw weight range of 5 pounds all the way up to 70 pounds and draw length adjustability from 12 out to 30, the Cruzer G2 offers the perfect fit for nearly any archer or bow hunter. Bear's most versatile cam system, the MV1 cam system, features draw dial rotating modules to deliver the G2's deadly performance with wide-ranging adjustability. Endurafiber quad limbs help power this bow's impressive speed, sending arrows rocketing towards your target at speeds up to 315 FPS. Ready to hunt, RTH package includes Trophy Ridge Whisker Biscuit, Trophy Ridge 4-pin sight, amazing versatility and adjustability compact 30-axle to axle bi-dimensionally adjustable sonic stop offset string suppressor advanced grip design, eliminates hand torque. RTH package includes Whisker Biscuit, 4-pin sight, stabilizer and sling, 5-arrow quiver, peeps.